Welcome to GIS Gallery. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Graphical Modeller in QGIS, which is similar to the ModelBuilder tool in ArcGIS. You'll learn how to create custom models that automate workflows, making your GIS tasks more efficient and repeatable. Whether you're new to QGIS or familiar with ArcGIS, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know to build and use your own models in QGIS. Let's get started.
So today we'll be seeing how you can use ModelBuilder in QGIS. Okay. So ModelBuilder is not essentially ModelBuilder in QGIS. It's actually called Graphical Modeller. So if you come over to processing, you can see this is something called Model Designer. Okay. So this is actually the ModelBuilder in QGIS. So if you click on it, you will get a ModelBuilder window. Okay. So we'll be doing the same exercise that we did in ArcGIS for ModelBuilder, which is this thing there. So we'll be compositing, mosaicing, and then flipping Raster layers. Okay. So for that, I'll first need a raster layer, right? So raster layer is my input layer. This is my first raster layer for mosaicing. So that will be for mosaicing for compositing. Compositing for composite one, and then I'll be doing for composite two. So from the composite image, we'll be doing what? We'll be doing the mosaicing function, or this layer will be going to composite two. So I'll just go to ArcGIS, then search for. So what was the tool name we did for compositing image? Building with raster, right? So here, build with raster. Raster is a layer. So do that for. Okay. So now what will be my input layer? My input layer will be model input, which is the composite one. Okay. And for other setting, the resolution is average, and then place each input to look a separate value. If you remember, so do you remember that we checked this one, right? Place each input into a separate bank. So we'll take this one. So we'll keep in box yes, and then we'll click OK. So we'll be doing another one for the second composite. So input layer will be model input and then composite 2. Here also we'll be setting the which one will be setting the place each input parameter separate field and the S and then click OK. So after the compositing is done, we'll be doing which tool next? We'll be using the two composite tools to do the merge operation, right? So for the algorithm, so we'll be searching merge here and merges in GIS, raster, miscellaneous and merge this two. So I click on here. Then I need to have the output. So if you click here, we could choose algorithm output. But the thing is ModelBuilder is that with algorithm output, you can only select one. But I need both these outputs, right? So for that, I can click here. I can set value, okay? And then in the browse option, I can set these two. So Raster from algorithm build raster, and then the next Raster from frame build raster. So these are the two composite images. So click OK. Now you can see that two lines have been added here. Now we have the merged image, and now what we need to clip the image, right? So clipping image, we need the raster, which is this one, and then we need the shapefile also, right? So for that, I'll be going to input, and then I'll be selecting vector layer, because first I'll need to add a vector layer here. So click that, and then I will be boundary. So clipping. geometry type is polygon here. Then I will click OK. Now I'll need the tool for clipping, which is clip raster by mask layer. I'll add it here, and then my input layer is which one? The merged image, right? For that, I'll be setting algorithm output and then merge from algorithm merge. And then mask layer will be my boundary for clipping. So it will be in model input and then boundary for clipping. Then I'll come over here. I don't need to set all these things. Maybe I can set an order value as 0. And then this will be my output, right? So I can give my output which is clipped image. Okay. So I will give the name here. I click OK. And now you can see the algorithm has been made. Now we have to understand that if you click on run here, it will be getting a 2. So you can set the TM boundary, but you can only select one image from here. Okay. So we need to have more of this bands for compositing 1 and then compositing 2. So I can just click this, copy this, and then I'll paste it. So I'll be mosaic or compositing 5 bands. So band 1 to band 5. So I'll name 5 of these. So I'll just paste it once, twice, twice. Okay. So I have 5 bands here now. Okay. So I'll be clicking this one, and then instead of the algorithm output, I'll be setting value and then selecting for composite 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Similarly, for composite 2 also I'll be doing the same. So I'll copy this and then paste it 1, 2, 3, 4. In this one, I'll be having 5. I'll edit this tool, set the input layer as value, and then select the composite 2. Okay, now it's done. Now, as the model is done, you can also now save this model. Okay, so saving this model, you can just click on save model. Okay, you can just save the model as model 1 and then save it. Okay, now I can just, yeah. Now I could also save this as a algorithm or export as an image, this model that I made. If I click on run here, since I already have the data, I come to my model, close it now. I come here, you can see that I added all the files that I need in here. Alright, even the files. So if I come over to my model and I run it, it's asking for those things. So before that, I'll just eliminate this one. Okay, now I'll just run this and then it's asking for the run to. So I can set the area for boundary for clipping. The composite run, I'll be setting the band 1 and 2 and 3, band 4 and band 5. And similarly for the next one, I'll be setting band 1, band 2, band 3, and 4, and band 5. Okay. Then I could just save it as a temporary file or I could save to a file. I'll click on run. You can see it's been running. So it's running the merge now. We have 3 out of 4 tools. After merging, it will be doing the clipping operation. And now it says the tool, the process has been completed. Now if I come over to my image, I'll just click on zoom to layer. Oh, you can see that the image has been clicked and then displayed here. Okay. So this is how you can create your own custom tools using the Restore the model designer in QGIS.